Hey, if you keep yelling like that, you're going to try to find a way to take you to jail. We're not wanting that.
You're going to take me to jail then.
So now that you've admitted that, on camera, are you threatening to arrest me if I don't give you my ID?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Corrupt cops attack. Handcuffed man and receive instant karma. Starting with a situation showing New York correctional officers beating a handcuffed inmate before his death. On December 9th, 2024, Robert Brooks, an inmate at Mohawk Correctional Facility, was transferred to Marcy Correctional Facility. Handcuffed with his hands behind his back, Brooks was escorted to the medical clinic. At the medical clinic, Brooks was subjected to physical force by several guards who struck him and applied pressure to his neck while he was in a semi-conscious state. The injuries on Brooks's face are clearly visible. And it doesn't stop there. The guards continued to engage in other acts of excessive force. Brooks was transported to a local hospital following the incident and pronounced dead the following morning. New York Governor Kathy Hochul also released the following statement regarding Brooks's death. Like all New Yorkers, I was outraged and horrified after seeing footage of the senseless killing of Robert Brooks. I have been clear that it is the responsibility of the New York State Department of Corrections and Community Supervision to provide appropriate care and protection for those in its custody. and I will not tolerate anyone who violates that responsibility. That is why I ordered an immediate and full investigation into the death of Robert Brooks, and further directed DOCCS Commissioner Martuscello to begin the termination process for the 14 individuals who were involved in his fatal attack. The state of New York has zero tolerance for individuals who break the law, and I am committed to holding everyone involved fully accountable. Wrongful death is a type of legal claim or cause of action against a person who can be held liable for a death. The claim is brought in a civil action, usually by close relatives, as authorized by statute. In wrongful death cases, survivors are compensated for the harm and losses they have suffered after losing a loved one. The racism never stops. Let's move to the next incident of police discrimination against Reginald James. On a night in July 2022 in Texarkana, Arkansas, police stopped and arrested Reginald James, claiming that multiple people had stated he was involved in a shooting.
Hey, man, let me talk to you a second.
Go ahead.
Hang on. Hold on. Stop walking. Let me talk to you a second, man. Okay. What's going on tonight?
I don't know. I ain't got nothing to do with y'all stuff.
Hang on.
Hey, work time, put your hands behind your back.
I'm being detained right now?
Yes,
You are
you
being
are.
retained. This is investigative detention. All right. But we're being told by multiple people
That
you were
something.
involved in all this.
Mr. James explains he is a homeowner and crime victim, but officers ignore his statements, handcuffing and detaining him without cause.
Okay. Well, that's all right. Go ahead and get his identification and everything. We'll go
You got
from
an
there.
ID in your pocket, sir? No, we stopped you for,
Because I'm passing by and I fit a description.
you were pointed out,
That's okay.
so they may have all made a mistake when we work this out.
I'm a college graduate. I'm a homeowner. That's my home right there. That's my
Which
rental
one?
property right on the corner.
Okay, well, all you had to do was
No,
talk to us
I
a
ain't
little
have
bit.
to talk to y'all. I don't need to talk to y'all. You got me sitting here detained from
Yeah,
walking
you're
from the
detained.
store coming home. I don't have to deal with y'all.
At certain times you do,
I
sir.
don't have to deal with you, Mr. McAdams,
Yeah.
Mr. Negron. Nice to meet you.
So you say you don't know nothing about nothing, you
I'm
ain't
not
got
answering
nothing.
no questions, bro.
Hey, if you keep yelling like that, you're going to try to find a way to
You
take you to
making
jail.
it
We're not wanting
worse.
that.
You're gonna take me to jail then.
Officers arrest Mr. James for obstruction after he refuses to answer their questions.
But multiple people pointed him out. That's what I got.
Why you mad?
That he was part of it.
Because you're
That's
stopping
what he's
because I
saying.
don't want to be bothered. I don't
So-
with y'all.
Correction 209 Central. I'm in route to 206. Possibly show me not having a camera.
Go ahead.
209 and 1930.
Has he identified himself yet?
No, he
Okay.
allowed me to get billfo out.
Okay. Well, as of right
Yeah,
now,
okay.
he's under arrest for obstruction. You have to identify yourself. You
I
ain't got a
did.
choice.
Here's my ID.
All we're trying to do is figure out what happened here. You're supposed to be the victim. You're the one being the and we're trying to help you.
Who's this guy?
An eyewitness confirmed to police that Mr. James was the victim of the shooting, not a suspect, but police proceeded with the arrest regardless.
So what did you see?
Well, I was sitting in my window right here about in the living room window, and I was on the phone with her. I had my blinds up. All I seen was a blue Grand Marquis speeding outwards. And I
Coming out of the
yeah, out of the apartment.
Uh-huh.
And then I seen him. I just made sure my kids was down and they was in the back room.
You heard shooting?
Yeah, he was running this way.
And you run in
across these people's yards.
Did the car look like it was after him? Or,
Yeah, it was after me.
but which way they turn?
They turned this way.
They come up right behind him
yeah,
then?
whoever stay over there.
In that gray house in
Yeah.
the corner? I think he actually lives there.
He stayed there too.
Despite no arrest warrants or justification, police proceed to process Mr. James for obstruction.
All I care about is, does he have warrants for his arrest?
And you showed to be clear.
Okay. One, he's now banned from housing. Banned him from matter. If he doesn't want to identify himself, he's trying to walk away when we have a legal reason to stop.
That's when you grabbed him, man. I thought he's fixing to run.
We'll get you to transport him, do the arrest paperwork. I'll do the narrative stuff on it.
We get the witness that says he info so we can justify why we make contact.
Yeah, let's get him transported out of here, and let's get him banned, get him out of here so we can finish and just come back here.
Mr. James is suing the Texarkana Police Department for civil rights violations. Legal experts believe he has a strong case due to the officer's unlawful actions and disregard for his constitutional rights. Probable cause is a Fourth Amendment requirement that usually must be met before the police make an arrest, conduct a search, or receive a warrant. The Fourth Amendment also requires that any arrest be based on probable cause, even when the arrest is made pursuant to an arrest warrant. The police officers have violated this legal provision. If the previous case was about racial discrimination, the next one we bring you is no less compelling. On December 24, 2024, a Minnesota state trooper approaches a man parked at a gas station, initially claiming he was there for a friendly conversation.
What do you want?
You gotta get this tent stuff off of us.
I'm on private property, man. What are you harassing me for? How are you going to? I'm on private property.
Because I can easily say that you came in off the street. I can pull the video to show you came in off the street. I was just gonna give you a friendly.
So how are you trying to initiate a traffic stop when I am stopped at a gas station? You have no articulable suspicion of me even being on the roadway, bro. You're on some bullshit.
I'll wait till you pull it. I'll pull you out here on the street.
That's cool. Good.
The officer threatened to stop him as he was leaving the gas station, despite there being no legal suspicion of any crime.
That's because you got nothing better to do, huh? Watch this.
You're just gonna sit here and wait, then we're doing it right here.
We're not doing anything.
Yeah, we are. Otherwise, I'll just tow you out of here. You're on private property. They don't want your vehicle sitting here.
Yeah, that's funny because have you asked them that? No, you're just making that shit up. All you're doing is making some shit up.
You told me you come here every day on your lunch break. Obviously, you came here on your lunch break. You got here by the highway. Give me a driver's license.
I want your superior to come here then.
You're about to go to jail.
How? For what? How is this a lawful order? That's what I want to know. How is this a lawful?
Right now.
For what? I'm sitting here minding my own business, having a conversation with my life. I haven't even got my lunch yet. I haven't even gone inside. And this is the kind of shit you're on. For what? You have no reason to do any of this. No, what I want you to get a superior here. I want you to get a superior here. How can you detain me for a traffic stop when I'm not in traffic? I'm sitting here on private property.
Because you're driving with illegal equipment on the highway.
You didn't see me drive anywhere. You're not going to get the footage from these people.
Yeah, I would.
No, so you would need to subpoena them.
No, I don't.
Okay.
We do it all the time.
You would need to subpoena them.
Give me a driver's license.
You are so far beyond.
No, I'm not.
How? So.
Give me a driver's license.
How do you? I will if you threaten to arrest me under the direct, because you have no articulable suspicion of me committing any crime. I'm sitting here in a vehicle on private property.
Yeah, you're in a gas station. How'd you get here?
So now that you've admitted that on camera, are you threatening to arrest me if I don't give you my ID?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
The man firmly argues that the officer's actions amount to an illegal detainment and demands a valid explanation for his behavior, challenging why he's being singled out in the first place.
Because by law, when you're being detained by a law enforcement
How are you?
officer,
This is an illegal detainment. This is an illegal detainment. You can't just pull up on me. I'm sitting at a private gas station. This dude doesn't even have emergency lights going on his vehicle or anything. This dude touching my truck. He doesn't even have emergency lights activated. Literally sitting at a holiday gas station, minding my own fucking business. And this cocksucker comes up out of nowhere.
This could have been easily solved by just rolling down your window and having a nice conversation with me.
Okay, so what you're saying is you did, hey asshole, so what you're saying, you did this because I didn't talk to you. Thank you for making sure I got that on camera too, you.
According to the Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. It's clear the officer was more upset about being ignored than about any actual law violation. Sometimes, the only ticket being handed out is to an officer's ego. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even messier. On March 26, 2019, Officer Nathan Meyer was found intoxicated in his police vehicle on East Mississippi Avenue near Buckley Air Force Base.
You're good. He's a little intoxicated. Ugh.
You got it? Let me see.
Okay, yeah, I'll let you in.
Brother, we got you.
Hold on, you might have
Pulling forward. Pulling forward. So you get to keep. Oh, you're trying to get that?
check for not giving any verbal, he's not even giving a head nod or anything like that.
Is there a keeper back on his belt?
Hold on, let me.
Okay. He's good. I got his belt.
We got it.
Okay.
Some police officers and firefighters attempted to pull Meyer out of his car while he was seated in the driver's seat of the vehicle, which was parked in the middle of a busy street in Aurora.
We got a bus coming? Okay. Yeah, bro. You're gonna be good.
Backup or anything, right?
I can't feel anything. Yeah.
Is it something that will come off once we start moving?
No, we're good.
Okay.
It's all off.
All right, we're ready to move.
The belt is still stuck on the Velcro on the back. Just pull it off. Hey, was there a keeper up there?
Captain said just give it all to. He might have an idea in his hands or something. Yeah, that's why.
17 area traditionally residential burglar alarm 1142 South Eagle Circle.
I don't really know him all that well, so.
250 now. We got body armors.
I think we're working on that right now.
Officer Nathan Meyer was never investigated for driving under the influence, even though fellow officers reported that they smelled alcohol and talked about possible intoxication at the scene. He was demoted after an internal investigation. Driving under the influence of any of the above can put yourself and others in danger. If law enforcement has reason to believe your driving was impaired, even slightly, they can arrest you for a DUI. When you're charged with a DUI, it means an officer determined you were too impaired to operate a vehicle at that time. While some officers betray their oath and abuse their power, today you'll witness instant karma delivering a powerful blow. Let's break down the shocking case where Deputy Seller's reckless use of force led to an innocent homeowner's brutal attack and the tragic shooting of William Rankin. On the morning of May 26, 2024, following a vehicle pursuit, the suspect, 43-year-old William Dwayne Rankin, fled into a residence on National Cemetery Road after crashing his vehicle, where he was pursued by Florence County Sheriff's Deputy Trayvon Sellers, 29.
Right on February.
Where you at? Hey, get on the ground! Here! Here!
Sellers from the patrol cruiser and entered the residence via the back door with his unleashed police dog. He then directed the K9 to attack without identifying the individual inside. The dog attacked Johnny Cooper, the homeowner who had no involvement in the chase.
Here! Steal it! Steal it! Steal it! Steal it! Here! Here! I got steal it! Steal it! Get on the ground! Hey, get on the ground! Get on the ground! I got here! I got here!
According to the Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized. In addition, under 18 U.S.C. Section 242, whoever, under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom, willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States, or to different punishments, pains, or penalties on account of such person being an alien, or by reason of their color or race, than those prescribed for the punishment of citizens, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for not more than 1 year, or both. And if bodily injury results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for not more than 10 years, or both. And if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping, or an attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill, shall be fined under this title, imprisoned for any term of years or for life, or both, or may be sentenced to death. When the dog attacked the homeowner, Sellers shot Rankin 5 times while he was resting on the living room couch. Sellers also permitted the dog to continue attacking the homeowner, leading him to be attacked for approximately 87 seconds.
I see you, dude. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Right, there we are. If you move, I'll fucking shoot you. I got here. I got here. Shots fired, shots fired. I got here. I got here.
Rankin's body went limp on the couch. Cooper, still being bitten by the dog, begged for help, repeatedly telling Sellers he hadn't done anything wrong. Eventually, Sellers called the dog off Cooper, but it wasn't until more than 7 minutes into the video that he radioed for medical assistance.
I caught. Please, God, help me. Please, God, I caught here. I can't say you. Oh, God, please. Nick. Come on, I'm called for. I need you in there for one dog bite. One shot first. Hold on. Yeah. Life. So I'm cold for it. I got the dog on here and I need somebody else too.
Copy. I'll help you.
You're 30 seconds, grab it, I'm right behind it.
Copy.
Stay right there. You got help coming, but you can't move. I ain't got mine on me. It's in the trunk. Huh? He's right. The one that shot right here. This dude got bit. I didn't know he was in here, but our car came after him. He was trying to hide under this. Matt.
What's your status?
I'm cool. What's up?
Is there a front door?
Yeah. Should be over here. Hey, stay right there. Don't move.
When the paramedics arrived, Rankin no longer had the strength to answer their questions. The paramedics focused on helping Rankin, who had too many injuries on his body.
Hey, don't move. And hide, man. Yeah.
Where you shot at, man? Where you shot?
Yeah, what?
Where are you shot? Where are you shot?
I got one on me.
More police officers arrived at the crime scene, and Sellers had a brief conversation with them.
Hey, what's your name? What's your name, boss? What's your name? Come on. Hey, come on. What's your name? Through the back door. Go through the back door. What's your name? Come on, bud. What's your name, man?
Suppose y'all good?
Y'all need anything? I think we better come up on it.
I got you. No worries. It's stuck. Right. You just gonna turn it off? You alright? Sit down. Take a breath. Sit down.
Sellers, 29, was charged with voluntary manslaughter in Rankin's death and faces 2 to 30 years in prison if convicted. He was also charged with assault and battery of a high and aggravated nature in the dog's attack and faces up to 20 years if convicted. Manslaughter is the act of killing another human being without malice. It is a general intent crime that is distinct from murder because it requires less culpability. State agents arrested former Florence County Deputy Trayvon Jonathan Sellers on Wednesday. He was on leave after the May 26th shooting and was fired in July after an arrest in an unrelated domestic violence case. Sellers was awaiting a bond hearing at the Florence County Jail on Thursday. Jail records didn't indicate whether he had a lawyer. On July 6, 2024, at approximately 12:50 a.m., Sangamon County Sheriff's deputies responded to a 911 call in the 2800 block of Hoover Avenue in Springfield. Arriving just before 1 a.m., the deputies first checked around the house and noticed a black SUV with broken windows parked in the driveway. When Massey finally answered the door after a 3-minute delay, she immediately expressed fear, pleading, "Don't hurt me." Her behavior was somewhat erratic and confused as she spoke to the deputies. She repeated that she needed help, referenced God multiple times, and admitted she didn't know who owned the damaged vehicle outside.
There's a bike sitting back there. Where? On the back door. I don't know if it's hers. Oh, I'll tap it. Someone threw a brick to it. You didn't see anybody out walking that way, did you? No, not when I came in. I didn't see anybody that way either. Sheriff's office! She was yelling inside. She told us to hold on. You come in the door or not?
Somebody is out here and I need to go here. Please don't hurt me, y'all.
Why would it hurt you? You called us.
Okay,
Please. So what'd you hear?
Somebody just outside my house, y'all. Please.
Is this your car over here? Is this your car over here? Oh.
Please,
That's not your black car in the driveway? Oh, well, we checked your yard, we walked around the whole block, we didn't see anybody.
I'm trying to get help, y'all, but
What do you need help with?
nothing. I just, please, God, please.
What do you need help with?
Nothing. I just wanted to see if y'all could help me.
What do you want help with?
I heard somebody outside.
Yeah, we checked your house, we checked your backyard. I walked all the way through all these backyards. Checked the whole area.
Okay.
What took you so long to answer the door?
Oh, I was trying to put on some clothes, sir. I'm sorry. I was trying to get
I got you. All right. Okay.
Okay. All right.
You doing all right mentally?
Yes.
Sure?
My medicine and stuff.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. That's not your black car, though. The SUV? You don't know? Someone just parked it in your driveway?
They brought it to my driveway.
Once inside, the situation became more tense. Massey, appearing distracted, sat on her couch and rummaged through her purse, while the deputies attempted to gather her information. One of the deputies, Grayson, pointed out a pot sitting on the stove with a flame under it. "We don't need a fire while we're here."
You got a name? You got an idea or something? Take your name real quick. Attach this. See who we spoke to.
Hello? Yeah, I need, I got the sheriff department here, but I was calling for help from y'all.
Okay, I'll let you go and you talk to them.
No, hold on, wait a second, sir.
You can hang up, Codwell. It's good.
Number one, you're there with the deputy, correct?
No, hold on, okay? I got the paperwork. Okay? Let me see. Okay? Grab that Bible, please.
Yeah. Hey, I just need your name so we can get out of here. Was there any damage previous to your car?
Previous, yeah.
What about windows?
Oh, it was something that happened earlier.
Okay, perfect. What is your last name? Shouldn't have to think about your last name. You're not in trouble. I just need to attach.
Massey.
Huh?
Massey.
You have an ID? That'd make things so much easier.
I want to show y'all my paperwork.
I will get your paperwork.
What paperwork?
Okay. I got some paperwork.
Well, just get your ID real quick.
Well, let's get your ID first, and then
One task at a time. So let's do an ID, and then you can dig around for your paperwork. We don't need a fire while we're here.
Right. Okay.
However, the atmosphere quickly shifted when Massey suddenly said, "I rebuke you in the name of Jesus." This statement seemed to escalate the situation further. Grayson, feeling threatened by her words and the nearby pot, responded aggressively, "You better not, or I swear to God, I'll shoot you in your face." At that moment, he pulled out a 9mm pistol and demanded that she drop the pot.
Okay. What are you doing?
Huh?
Where you going?
Away from your hot steaming water.
Away from my hot steaming water?
Yeah.
Oh, I would rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
Huh?
Rebuke you in the name of
You better fucking not. I swear to God, I'll shoot you right in your face.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Drop the fucking pot! Drop the fucking pot!
Massey immediately stepped back, apologized, and raised her hands. However, within seconds, Grayson, standing a counter away, shot her in the head. Despite this brutal act, Grayson initially stopped his teammates from giving first aid. He further claimed that he was defending himself from the threat of boiling water. When it became clear that Massey was still breathing, he reluctantly agreed to retrieve his medical kit.
You better fucking not. I swear to God, I'll shoot you right in your face.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Drop the fucking pot! Drop the pot! Drop the...
Shots fired.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Drop the pot! Bring EMS now. We got a headshot wound to the female. Headshot wound to the female. 1078.
I was on. I'm gonna go get my kit.
No, headshot. Yeah, she's done. You can go get it, but that's a headshot. Yeah, I'm not taking boiling water in the head. And look, it came right to our feet too. God damn it. You good?
I'm good. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I mean, you know, what else do we do? I'm not taking hot boiling water to the face, and it already reached us.
They got a 52 en route?
Yeah, 1078. 318, she's still breathing, but she's losing a lot of blood from the head. I'll go get my med kit. I mean,
Get your med kit.
I mean, there's not much we can do. Do we got any call history with her being 1096? That would explain a lot. Just Sergeant, who, no. Let's just chill out here. Just Sarge for right now. So, is there anything you think we can do for her? You want to run down real quick?
Nope, not yet.
Alright. House is clear. She was the only one. She said she was going to rebuke me in the name of Jesus and came out with boiling water. That's what all this is. I was standing right here.
Alright.
And that's where he's landed.
What do y'all need from us?
Just nothing right now. Just hang out there for me. Thank you.
A person who kills an individual without lawful justification commits first-degree murder if, in performing the acts which cause the death he or she either intends to kill or do great bodily harm to that individual or another, or knows that such acts will cause death to that individual or another, or he or she knows that such acts create a strong probability of death or great bodily harm to that individual or another, or he or she, acting alone or with one or more participants, commits or attempts to commit a forcible felony other than second-degree murder, and in the course of or in furtherance of such crime or flight therefrom, he or she or another participant causes the death of a person. In the case of Tennessee v. Garner, 1985, the court ruled that under the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, a police officer may use deadly force to prevent the escape of a fleeing suspect only if the officer has a good faith belief that the suspect poses a significant threat of death or serious physical injury to the officer or others. Grayson, who was fired last week, is being held in the Sangamon County Jail without bond. If convicted, he faces prison sentences of 45 years to life for murder, 6 to 30 years for battery, and 2 to 5 years for misconduct. We hope this video has shed light on the serious dangers of corruption within the police force. If you found this information valuable, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.